with your horoscope and planet transits for the month of October. This is also a very, very special month for you, Gemini. You're more on the same course. You know, as you are, Gemini is the sign of the twins. And usually you have 2 or 3 things going. You may have 2 things going now, but you're really focused on one thing that's going to work out for you very well. Your lucky days this month are the 16th, the 21st, and the 29th. And as we do this psychic astrology here, oh my, are you going to be happy? Look at this. This is the wish card. This is what you wish for, you will bring to you, and it's in the now. I believe you've met a new man, or you've come to some resolve in a relationship that it will be so happy for you. You feel the love. You're getting your needs met from your partner or someone new, and it will be wonderful for you. He's also romantic and a good communicator and kind of sexy. Wow, hubba hubba. And he likes to go out and have a few drinks. He likes to entertain. He likes to go to all different affairs. And that will be very, very soon, and have a good time. He loves to do that. And you'll have mutual friends. You'll make friends together and do things with. I do believe he may have a boat. I know he likes to travel. If he has a boat, you will grow to love it too, because he'll like to do a lot of boating and go on some trips, boating trips. So the boat is big enough to go on an overnight trip somewhere. Things are so positive in your life, and also with this new solar eclipse that's coming. It will be very, very wonderful. You have some very good friends close to you, and they may even, they'll help you with this relationship. They may have introduced you to this man, or you may be going to be introduced to him very, very soon. These are you and your friends. And one person, everybody loves to have one super, super BFF, and you do have one, and 2 other friends that are very close. Then this is wonderful also for this month. These are your changes. This is change in your life, money coming in, money straightening out, making more money by special things you do. That's around you right now. Don't worry. You're very worried. It seems like you are very concerned about money and about a relationship or relationships. Things will work out for you. And this month you will really start to feel how it's going to work out for you. And this is you. I see you now standing up for yourself. You know, sometimes because of the twins, you go from one side to the other on an issue. But here, that's the difference. That's why things are working out for you. I call this card the Wounded Warrior. But you always come back and you always stand up. Have a great October. If you'd like to hear more, call 800-541-6999. That's 800-541-6999. Or go to Psychic Leslie, one word, Leslie with 2 E's.com. Thank you, and have a great October. Bye-bye.